Hi, and welcome to episode 2 of the Whiteboard Updates. Today I'm going to be talking about prescriptions and the different tools available to you through Blue Cross Blue Shield of Minnesota and Prime Therapeutic. You'll need to have company-provided medical insurance to use these online services, and if you have not already registered for an account with Blue Cross Blue Shield, you will need to do so first. You can begin by visiting the website www.bluecrossmn.com, clicking on For Members, and then log in and register. If you are already a member, you can begin by clicking on Log into your account, but if not, click on First Visit, Create an Account, and Register. Here's what the registration process looks like. You'll need to have your medical ID card, as you'll need to enter your subscriber ID during the registration process, along with your first name, last name, and date of birth. Then click Next and finish the registration process. Once you are registered or logged in, it will bring you to your Blue Cross Blue Shield of Minnesota homepage. This website contains a wide variety of information. Today we're going to be focused primarily on the prescription section and what it has to offer. You can begin by clicking on Prescriptions in your toolbar. Once you've clicked on Prescriptions, you can see the many helpful tools that it provides you, such as Find a Pharmacy, a drug list in order to see all covered drugs within your plan, Frequently Asked Questions, How to Save with Mail Order, and much more. To start, let's click into Cost and Savings. Many of your options through the Blue Cross Blue Shield website will take you to MyPrime.com, where you will find a ton of helpful information. On the Prime Therapeutic website, you will find other resources such as information for home delivery, specialty medicines, managing your contact information, and managing conditions such as diabetes. Let's begin by clicking on Find Medicines. This will then take you to a screen that allows you to search for medications. There's also an option to look at current medications. This is where you can find a list of any current medications you're on, along with a drug list that is associated with your medical plan, an option for home delivery, and a host of other helpful documents, such as your preventative drug list and specialty drug list. In order to search for a medication, you will begin by typing in the bar under Add a Medicine. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will use the drug albuterol. Once you have typed in the drug that you are searching for, you will also have the option to filter your information based on which instance that you would like to take the medication, how much and how often, and also if you are searching for yourself or maybe a dependent. You then click Submit. You can see that I have already searched 2 different types of medication to show you. It will keep your search history displayed so you are able to easily compare different prices, whether or not a drug is covered, whether or not a drug is on your drug list, and much more. Next, we will cover the option to search pharmacies in your network. Once you have clicked on Find a Pharmacy, you will go up to the search bar and enter your zip, city and state, or address in order to find pharmacies near you. Once you have done that, you will see a list of different pharmacies that have populated based on the information that you provided in the search bar. On this screen, you also have the options to price different medications that you have searched for so far. You can begin by clicking on Price My Medicines here. Select which medication you would like to choose to search for in a pharmacy near you. Click OK. You can see that each pharmacy will come up with the specific pricing that they offer for that specific medication. If you'd like to look at more, go ahead and click on more of the Price My Medicines here, and the price will come up at each pharmacy. Finally, I will show you the prescription history. If you click into this, it will store the last year of medication that has been prescribed to you. You can see your cost, when it was received, and what the medication was. These are just a few helpful tips on prescription drugs and the tools within Blue Cross Blue Shield of Minnesota and MyPrime. I encourage you to take time to fully explore these sites and services or download the app for free. Thank you for taking a few minutes to watch this video. If you have any additional questions or concerns regarding prescriptions, you can contact Blue Cross Blue Shield of Minnesota at 866-537-7719. Thank you so much and have a great day.